So now that we're logged in, what you would normally do is you got to the page that you wanted to edit and you would start to edit. But for training purposes, we're first going to learn how to create another page. So a brand new page. So we're logged in. The first thing we need to do is we need to actually get out of this page. So we need to go up to where it says back to pages. So now we're in the file structure of Omni, and this is just like your computer or anything else, or Dropbox or something. We have folders and we have files in them. So each one of these is a page that a previous trainee has done. So what we're going to do is create our own. So the first thing we need to do is come over here to the far right and click New. So you see here there are many different templates, but the one that you'll use most often is this new interior page. So we're going to click this. Okay, so now we have a few options, a few decisions to make. The first thing is what will be the page title. So this will actually be what you see at the top of the page when you load it. So for training purposes, we're going to use our first name and our last name. So I'm going to use first, last. And so you're going to actually put your first name and then your last name. So now we'll go down to the description. So some of these are important for SEO and they'll help your page show up better in Google searches. So what is the description? So if you come here, this is an example that I pulled up. I just did a Google search for shoes. And so the description is what you see right here. And so the description is supposed to give someone who just searched an understanding of what they're going to find on this page, kind of hopefully entice them to click to actually get to the page. So for now, just for training, we're going to type in, this is my Omni training page. And also let you know that this page title also has some SEO relevance. This is what will show up right here. So this is the big blue clickable part of a Google search results page. So the next field is tags. And tags are important because they help your page show up in internal search. So the search function on the ORU website. So for training purposes, we'll say training page for, and then you'll say first name, last name. And you'll hit enter. I'm not going to hit enter, but you'll actually hit enter. And so the phrases you type in here, if someone types in that same phrase or things that are similar, this page will show up for the ORU site search. So the next field is keywords. We're going to skip keywords. And then right here we have file name. So up until now, all of these have been what I call human friendly titles. File name needs to be bot friendly. So as you see over here, we have a first name hyphen last name, and it's all lowercase. That is the correct way to do it. This is not using a capital, and you see how there's spaces. So this is wrong. So spaces should be replaced with hyphens, and it should be all lowercase. You shouldn't use any other special characters in this. If you try to use apostrophes, it can cause a lot of issues. So all lowercase, no spaces. Instead of spaces, use a hyphen, and no other special characters. So for training purposes, we're going to use your first name hyphen last name. So again, all lowercase, no spaces. Instead of a space, hyphen, and then your last name. So what we'll do now is we'll go ahead and click create. Okay, and now your page has been successfully created.